I look after the engineering and asset management, sort of technology and governance. We're like the technical glue that I like to think holds us all together.
My role involves rolling out projects across fleets, whether it's high floor or low floor, making modifications to more than just one tram.
My role is about strengthening the environmental heritage and sustainability values of our tram network and making sure it's resilient to climate change.
As a trainee, I am under the guise of some of the senior technical officers, and they are assisting me in bettering my fault-finding abilities and diagnostics on the trams at a higher level.
Working at Yarra Trams allows me to apply my engineering skills to real sustainability problems every day. I collaborate with people across the business, so I'm constantly learning from others.
So as an engineering manager, I get exposure to a variety of problems, and it's helped me with my problem-solving skills across electrical, mechanical, software and electronics.
With Yarra here, we've got some of the newest technology, and we've got the W class over here, 90 years old. So it's really challenging to kind of make this whole system work with the variety of rolling stock and network infrastructure that we have. So it's just a big challenge.
Yeah, I'm studying at Swinburne. You get into this line of work because you like the diagnostics, you like finding that one little thing that was wrong with the tram. It's just a great feeling when you find that one little thing and everything works and it's back on the road.
Probably the most challenging and interesting project that we currently have is this one that you see here. It's the retraction of the B-class trams, where we are basically changing the entire circuitry of the traction units all the way to the motors of these trams. And it's been a really interesting journey because we have taken a really old technology and replaced it with the state of the art.
One of the projects I'm particularly proud of is the Urban Harbour project. So we had to work within our existing tram stop infrastructure, and we're able to bring together social and environmental sustainability in a really meaningful way. The structure itself, as you can see, creates shelter and shading and helps reduce the impact of heat for our passengers. It also makes the stop feel a lot more welcoming.
I approached my manager and I said that I could create this shore supply connection box to help test the aircon units on the tram. Really rewarding. The day that I powered it up with one of the other maintainers, and it was just, everything worked perfectly. That was very rewarding because we're like, this is going to help us so much.
Behind us, the wheel lathe here at South Bank is getting, we're buying a new one, we're replacing the existing one so that we can, I guess, improve ride comfort for our passengers. Nice round wheels means a nice smooth ride. We are upgrading all our asset management systems, our SCADA systems. We're bringing in remote condition monitoring. We're going from paper to digital, and there's just the amount of uplift and efficiencies that's going to create is something that we're all very excited about.
So I'm a chemical engineer that works in sustainability now. So as you can see, engineering is a career that has so many different pathways. So if you're a curious person and enjoy solving real problems every day, then engineering is a fantastic career that you can grow in over time.
Don't worry about the initial learning stage. It's like anything else. You need to give it time and master your skills, and you will reap the rewards in the long run.
I didn't want to go to uni to start with, straight out of high school. But there's always a pathway. Like I'm back at uni now, and I think I'm better for it because I've got that trade knowledge. If I want to go further, I think I'd be a pretty good engineer because of that experience.
Just do it. If you're on the fence, just do it. You will not regret it. Choose your own adventure.